Hey, what's up guys, this is Roy and welcome to another brand new video on this channel. And today we have a $20 Chinese gaming headset and it's sent by an Amazon seller. And today in this video we're going to test the gaming headset and tear it down and find out what's inside. So guys, let's get started. And this headphone came in this box, and inside the box we have, this is the headphone manual, and we have a headphone and mic separator Y cable. So this headphone is not an USB headphone. This USB port is just for the LED. The wire quality seems pretty good, and here we also have a Velcro cable tie. The cable length is near about 2 meters, pretty long cable. This headset is fully made of hard plastic. It's really hard, but it doesn't feel good when you touch. Let's peel this plastic off over here. Yeah, this is how it looks. And here we have a microphone, and here you can pull it to adjust the length of this headphone. And on the ear we have heavy padding, and overhead we have a pretty soft padding. So this is the headphone look like when you plugged in the USB port. The light looks pretty cool, but I'll be really happy if this is a USB headphone. But the USB port is just only for the LED. This is the sound quality, and this is the sound quality you get from this headphone. So guys, let me know what you think about sound quality. Which one sounds better? Let me know in the comment section below. The three things that I like about this headphone: the build quality, it's a solid build quality, and the LED light looks really good. And third thing is, if you are a gamer, you need a mic, and it has a good quality mic. Now I'm going to tear this headphone down and find out what's inside. Let's open this screw. One. And here is another screw, I think. Yeah, here. This is a speaker, and here we have a connection board, junction board. This is the mic. Let's find out what we have on this side. And this is the left speaker. Here we have another circuit board. So this side of board we have 3 LEDs, and this side of board we have 3 SMD LED. And after putting this board here, you can show a display like this on this headphone. But the quality of these two speakers, these two drivers, feel like really cheap and plasticky, and sound quality is not as good as some branded headphones like Sony at same price. Now let's put all of this thing together. Yes, then it goes in like this, and now we have to screw them all. I'm using this headphone, this one, for near about a month right now. But after using a month, my opinion is it's average. It's not awesome, it is average. The microphone is good. I like the microphone, but the sound quality, I think if they put little bit better driver, sound quality will be better. And at the same price, the quality of Sony headphone is much better. I have near about 3 Sony headphones right now. Those 1, 2, 3. This brand new headphone review coming soon, so guys, stay tuned. The thing I don't like about this headset is the weight. The weight of this headset is near about 330 grams. It's heavy. and this Sony headphone weight around 130 gram. So because of this heavy weight, when I use this headphone for a long time, it gave me some kind of headache little bit, so I'm feeling a little bit uncomfortable wearing this headphone. And maybe that's not an issue for you guys. So if you want to check this headphone, link is in the description below, and there is a coupon code. You will get 30% discount for this headphone. And there is guys, lot more headphone review coming soon on this channel, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. And if you want me to review any kind of gadget, any kind of headphone, any kind of electronics things, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to do that for you guys. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe for upcoming more tech video like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notification as soon as I upload any new video. So guys, thank you so much. Meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.